People think that scientists are not artists, but we always are concerned about how do we visually represent data and information in ways that people can understand, and that's what people in art do.
I actually think it was Brian in science, in SOLS, and he had said he wanted to do a collaboration between art and science, and a bunch of people from the art department and a bunch of people from the sciences came together in a meeting to try to figure out what we could do.
The art students in Susan Beiner's class, her ceramics class, are getting inspiration from high-resolution scanning electron micrographs that we're taking in the electron microscope facility. Microscopy is one of the oldest tools in the toolbox of cell biologists. It's a way of using instrumentation to make small things really large. It's kind of the opposite of a telescope.
Students gave Robbie objects that they were interested in seeing different images from, for them to create their artwork. There were anywhere from pigskin to Q-tips to plant pollen. These objects and these images that we have can take on so many different directions that a student can study one image and make 10 different pieces from that image, and they would all be different.
You know, the way I look at it is that we're using, you know, these tools, these science tools, to look at form in a different way, to see it, you know, to see hidden form. I think all art is a partnership with some other field. I'm not just playing with clay because I think it's interesting. I'm doing it because there's an idea that I want to get at.
When you hand the opportunity to a bunch of students and just tell them to think creatively about something, they come up with some things that I never imagined that are just really cool and interesting. So one of the fun things is not just us as faculty setting these programs up, it's seeing what the outcome is for students. What do they do with it? How do they take it and run with it?
The art students are going to get inspired by microscopic nature. The scientists, including myself, we're going to get inspired by learning how to present our imagery, our communication.
I hope that when people go into the space that they see some sort of connection between the collection that's there with the objects, or a definite relationship between why these forms are here, and have an interest in what they are.